my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. But I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? And now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on you. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? Got me losing every breath. Why did you kiss me to make my heart beat out my chest? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? But now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm latching on to you.
We did it.
We did it! We did it!
Should I leave this running or what?
Just leave it running. We have great material.
I might need that.
Hull, you really don't have to tell him I said hello.
Allie
Or you
says
can.
hello.
Whatever floats your... So...
Now I've got you in my ass. You might as well eat it.
Got me wrapped up in your touch. Stupid. Feel I can't do it. So enamored, hold me tight with
What are you
your.
eating?
I don't
We're just
know.
talking through.
I'm Big Ba. I just want to know.
That was a lot of vowels, not a lot of words.
Singing.
Are you going to that tree?
I hate that song.
Do you like gold chained headbands? Do you like body chains?
I love flower crown. Screw that up. Dude, it's so annoying.
There goes my freshly painted manicure. What's it called?
Cello.
No, in High School Musical.
Cello. I
He
play
plays
cello.
the cello.
Dude.
Okay. Ooh. Sounds just like
I'm
ours.
sorry, what?
Okay. What is that laugh?
Please.
Sorry.
guitar. Bash it over my head.
Okay.
I'm ready. I'm ready to die.
I'm ready to die now. Oh my god. Because all of you. Every single last one of you.
Oh gosh. I think I'm ready.
I know what you're talking about.
Dope.
Baby, lock the door and switch the bell. Bells, bells.
What? Are you all ready for this?
Dun,